eyere, Amono eyere, Amono eyere agbo, Amono eyere. Eralo ejolewa, uno rode yorowa. Eralo ejolewa e akeka de tugeru. Amono eyere, Amono eyere. Amono eyere, Amono eyere. Amono eyere agbo, Amono eyere. Eralo ejolewa, uno rode yorowa. Eralo ejolewa e akeka de tugeru. Amono eyere agbo, Amono eyere. Urhobo ado, ije sasa wado. O ma wero be wore nu ne na me o to tati ne na yes o gele chole o mo ma so na o poligula gbo Urhobo. Bi de na se ti Nigeria Africa. O me we na. E de nu ne na mi ma iselu Urhobo re. O ingbata ne eta gware Urhobo re. Wo mo na mi so na Amono eyere. Amono eyere dede na. Amono itana. Ani eralo le jolewa. Say the forest deity was there. Uno de Yoruba. When the little Urhobo tree became a mighty tree. Oso waga no nyori. Eralo le jolewa. Oya kika de tugeru. Say the forest deity or the forest demon was still there when the termite took his crown or got himself crowned. Akeka, the termite, got himself crowned. Say, who then says we cannot live? Who then says we cannot live? Who then says we should live, or who is saying that we cannot live? What I'm saying today, my challenge or the challenge I have for you as Urhobo sons and daughters, wherever you go, don't be scared to take on challenges. Amono eyere. When God has stood by your side, you understand me now? One was sita, or can ek paizo bi kewe, or boyo susu kewe, benana. Barona. All like a will be saying, emoji is serious. All the obituable winning in the below Mibofakoa, Organolo Urhobo, okay, Swabari, Berede, Idu Barubina. Although there was a do about Bonovo, I can exploit, we will do a lot of exploits. I can we move people and we roll. Emwiroro oya baikeru. Omena. So wo ya ijere na kalu yunena. Rasoro Amono eyere. Amono eyere na. Amono eyere akona. Ono eyere. And eralo le jolewa. Say the forest deity was there. Uno de Yoruba. Oh Yoruba. Omale. Uno Yoruba. So Ane jolewa to boje tease ora. Akeka de tugeru. Say the forest deity was there when the termite got himself crowned. Ode tugeru. Omwele. So eromina kwana. Jolewa ni so big. Yes, I was deity. All those people that have the connection, they want to block your way. Leave them. Okay, you know what So okay, you know what? Well, no. Let the forest deity, let the forest demons be there in high places or in low places, wherever they may be. Akeka wherever now, walk it to everywhere, nothing will stop it. On every of be Wado.